Hello everyone, welcome to the tutorial video series on how to use Mirage Trading System, a professional Fakey false breakout detection tool on MetaTrader 5. In this first video, I will give you an overview of the entire default interface, so you can understand what components this indicator includes, where they are located on the chart, and the main function of each component. After purchasing the indicator on MQL5 market, the file will be automatically downloaded to the market folder of MetaTrader 5. Step 2. Open any chart. For example, here I will open the chart, EURJPY on the H1 timeframe. After opening the chart, you need to select the trading system indicator located in market. Click Attach to Chart. To attach the indicator to the chart. At this point, the settings dialog box will appear. For the first time, you don't need to change anything. The default settings are already optimized, just click OK. And this is the default interface after. The chart is displayed. This is exactly what you are seeing on the screen. Now, I will introduce you to the overall chart overview of the chart. When the indicator is attached to the chart, you will see 6 main areas. First, on the upper left corner, a text line showing the current trend. Here it is, displaying uptrend. With boss, meaning the market is currently in an uptrend, and a break of structure has just occurred. Second, this is the signal panel. Also on the left side, this is the signal statistics panel. On the right side is the control panel to toggle features on and off. Third, on the chart you will see arrows being displayed. Green arrows pointing up indicate buy signals. Red arrows pointing down indicate sell signals, along with horizontal zone lines, such as entry, stop loss and TP levels. Next is the green-colored zone, highlighted on the chart, which is the zone fill area, helping you clearly see profit and loss zones. Additionally, this feature can also help you display information about the current status, showing which TP level the price has hit. Now let's move to the left corner, which is the corner of the panel, the money management panel. Next, in the center there is the MTF Scanner, multi-symbol, multi-timeframe scanner panel. Currently, I have set 7 pairs with 7 timeframes, with a total number of signals found being 27. In addition, there is another panel which displays the timeframes, the trend strength across all timeframes, showing market structures and buy or sell recommendations. Zoom into the signals panel. The first row displays signals 50 total signals. Pending is 0 no signals waiting for entry. Active is 0 no signals currently active. And finished is 50 minus 50 signals have been completed. Second row, cancelled 2, untracked 0, blocked 2. Cancelled means signals that were cancelled because price didn't reach the entry level. Blocked means signals that were filtered out by the filter system. Next is the TP performance panel. This is the performance table for each take profit level, showing columns for W or L wins over losses, rate win rate, and net pips net profit. TP1, 35 out of 50, win rate 70%, net profit plus 143 pips. TP2, 23 out of 50, 46%, plus 321 pips. TP3, 21 out of 50, 42%, plus 869 pips. TP4, 19 out of 50, 38%, plus 1,300 pips. And the TSL row, trailing stop loss 34 out of 34. Rate 100%, plus 4,129 pips. This number shows that if you use trailing stop instead of fixed TP, the profit will be significantly higher. Finally, active signals currently active signal. Buy, currently at TP3 level. Open duration 2 days, 22 hours, current price 182.395. Next to the signals panel is the panel controls the quick control panel. There are 7 toggle buttons. Risk Calc, on displays the risk calculation panel. Turn off if not needed. Overview, on displays the multi-timeframe dashboard panel at the bottom corner. MTF Scanner, on enables the multi-timeframe multi-symbol scanner panel. Auto Scan, on the scanner automatically scans continuously. Turn off to save resources. Clean View, on hides all panels for a clean chart view. Turn off to show panels again. Trading Lines, on displays entry, SL and TP lines on the chart. Zone Fill, on displays the colored risk and reward zones. Click on or off text to toggle the status. Very convenient when you want to quickly show or hide components. Now let's look at the trading lines on the chart. Zoom into a specific buy signal on the chart. Looking at the currently active buy signal, you can see the following. A green arrow pointing up with the label Q64, this is the buy signal detection point, with a quality score of 64%. A solid horizontal line at the entry position, the entry price. A red dashed line at the bottom labeled SL stop loss, this is the cut loss level. An orange dashed line between entry and SL, that is the Donchian stop, the automatic trailing stop level. Above entry are 4 take profit levels, TP1, TP2, TP3, TP4, each showing the number of pips in profit. Here TP3 shows plus 155 pips. The current price has already passed TP3 and is heading toward TP4, showing that this signal is performing very well. About zone fill, the pink zone from entry down to SL is the risk zone. The green zone from entry up to the TP levels is the reward zone. The higher it goes, the lighter the color fades through each level, TP1, TP2, TP3, TP4. Just one glance and you can immediately see the risk reward of the trade. On the bottom left corner is the risk calculator, the automatic money management panel. This is one of the most important features. First line, buy EURJPY H1 order type, currency pair and time frame. Next to it is 0.37 lot automatically calculated by the indicator based on your chosen risk level. Risk 1.0%, the maximum risk for this trade is 1% of your account, equivalent to minus $243. The table below shows details in 3 columns, level, price and profit. Entry, 182.395. SL, 181.36 displayed in red. TP1, 182.913 profit, $120. TP2, 183.43 profit, $241. TP3, 183.948 profit, $361. TP4, 184.466 profit, $481. Everything is calculated automatically. You just need to look here to know exactly the lot size. How much you lose if price hits SL, and how much you profit if price reaches each TP level. At the bottom center of the screen is the MTF Scanner multi-timeframe scanner, scanning 7 currency pairs across 7 timeframes with 27 active signals detected. The table is displayed in a grid format. Each row is a currency pair. BTC USD, EURJPY, EURUSD, GBP USD, USDCH, USJPY, ZORDS. Each column is a timeframe M1, M5, M15, M30, H1, H4, D1. Green cells showing buy with a quality score, for example, by Q, 76, indicate a buy signal with a quality score of 76%. Red cells showing sell indicate a sell signal. Empty cells mean there is no signal on that timeframe. The summary column at the end shows the overall trend direction. Strong means multiple timeframes align in the same direction. Buy or sell indicates a clear trend direction. W sell means a weak sell trend, and mixed means conflicting signals. For example, EURJPY most timeframes from M5 to H4 show buy, and the summary displays strong. This is the pair with the strongest signal. Click Prev or Next at the bottom to switch pages. Pager over 1 means all results are displayed on a single page. The number of symbols can be customized in the settings. This is an extremely powerful tool. Just open one chart and you can scan the entire market. Finally, the dashboard multi-TF panel located at the bottom left corner, right above the risk calculator. Title, Mirage Trading System Indicator MT5. The table has 4 rows. Signal row displays signals on each timeframe M1, M5, M15, M30, H1, H4, D1. Green cells show buy, empty cells mean no signal. Here M5, M15, H1, and D1 all show buy. The summary column displays strong, meaning the signal is very strong. Trend row, the trend on each timeframe up in green, down in red, range in grey. Here M1 is range, M5 through H4 are all up, D1 is range. Summary shows buy. Struct row, market structure boss is break of structure, meaning trend continuation. Cho is change of character, meaning a reversal. Most timeframes show boss, but D1 displays Cho in purple, indicating that D1 has just reversed. Summary is BL boss, bullish boss. Advice row, the overall recommendation buy is buy, which means strong buy or wait. Here M1 is buy, M5 through H4 are all S buy, D1 is wait. Summary concludes buy. At the end of each row is the summary column, aggregating all timeframes. This panel gives you a complete overview. No need to switch between timeframes constantly. So in this video, I have introduced the 6 main components. On the default interface. Number 1, the trend status line at the top. Number 2, the signals panel and panel controls. Number 3, trading lines with entry, SL, and TP levels. Number 4, zone fill displaying risk and reward zones. Number 5, risk calculator for automatic lot size calculation. Number 6, MTF scanner to scan the entire market. In the upcoming videos, I will go deeper into each feature. See you in the next video, signal panel and how to read and understand each number.